Thinking of getting your hands on the all-new Mercedes-AMG C63 S E Performance? It's a technological marvel, a plug-in hybrid super saloon that combines blistering speed with cutting-edge engineering. But before you take the plunge, have you considered the running costs? In this video, we'll break down the costs of owning the latest C63 S E Performance, from insurance to petrol, tires, servicing, brakes, and even potential repair bills. Let's dive in. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG C63 S E Performance is a radical departure from its predecessor. Gone is the roaring V8. It's now powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they produce a staggering 671 horsepower and 1,020 Newton-meters of torque, propelling the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Despite being a hybrid, it's no eco-warrior. Instead, it's designed for ultimate performance. But that cutting-edge technology comes with costs. Let's start with insurance. Insurance for the C63 S E Performance falls into the top tier, Insurance Group 50 for UK drivers. Premiums typically range between £1,800 and £3,500 annually, depending on factors like your age, location, and driving history. Hybrid systems and high horsepower don't come cheap when it comes to insuring this beast. Now let's talk petrol, or should we say petrol and electricity. The C63 S E Performance combines a small battery with a traditional petrol engine. While Mercedes claims a combined fuel economy of 40 miles per gallon, real-world figures are closer to 20 to 25 miles per gallon when running the petrol engine alone. With petrol prices averaging around £1.50 per litre in the UK, you're looking at around £75 to fill the 50-litre tank. The hybrid system allows for a small amount of electric-only range, around 8 to 10 miles, but recharging the battery at home or via a public charger is also an added cost to consider. The C63 S E Performance comes equipped with 20-inch alloy wheels as standard, wrapped in high-performance tires like the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. For a set of 4, you're looking at around £1,200 to £1,500, including fitting. If you only need 2, that'll still cost £600 to £750. As with any high-performance car, these tires wear out quickly, especially with aggressive driving. Expect to replace them every 8,000 to 12,000 miles, depending on your driving style. The C63 S E Performance's advanced hybrid system means servicing is more complex and costly than its predecessor. Mercedes recommends servicing every 10,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first. A minor service, which includes oil and filter changes and a general checkup, costs around £400 to £600. At 20,000-mile intervals, you'll need a major service, which includes additional work like spark plug replacements, air filters, and more extensive diagnostics. Expect to pay around £1,000 to £1,500 for this. The hybrid system also requires special attention. The high-voltage battery system will need diagnostics and cooling fluid changes every 3 to 4 years, costing £400 to £600. Brake fluid changes every 2 years will add another £150 to £200. Then, the gearbox oil service, crucial for maintaining the 9-speed AMG gearbox, costs around £500 every 40,000 miles. The C63 S E Performance is equipped with high-performance brakes, with steel discs as standard, and an option for carbon ceramic brakes for those who demand ultimate stopping power. For the standard steel brakes, replacing the front brake pads costs £400 to £600, while rear pads are slightly cheaper at £300 to £500. Replacing the front discs can cost £1,000 to £2,000, £1,200 per axle, with rear discs priced at around £800 to £1,000. If you've opted for carbon ceramic brakes, the costs are significantly higher. Front pads alone cost £1,200 to £1,800, with front discs priced at £5,000 to £6,000 per axle. Rear discs are slightly less expensive, but still in the range of £3,000 to £4,000 per axle. Fitting costs vary, but typically range from £200 to £300 for standard brakes and closer to £500 for carbon ceramic setups due to the specialist labor involved. While carbon ceramic brakes offer incredible durability, they're an investment not everyone will be prepared for. Let's talk about potential issues. The C63 S E Performance introduces complex hybrid technology, and with complexity comes potential for expensive repairs. One common issue could be with the high-voltage battery system, which can degrade over time. While it's covered under warranty, out-of-warranty repairs or replacements can cost upwards of £5,000. The turbocharger and electric motor system are also areas to watch. Repairs to the turbo or integrated electric motor system can cost between £3,000 and £5,000, depending on the severity of the issue. Finally, the air suspension system, standard on most AMG models, is another potential failure point. Repairs can cost £1,500 to £3,000 per corner, depending on the issue. Regular maintenance is key to avoiding these costly surprises. So, there you have it. The Mercedes-AMG C63 S E Performance is a technological masterpiece that blends incredible performance with cutting-edge hybrid technology. But owning one doesn't come cheap. From insurance to fuel, tires, brakes, servicing and potential repairs, the costs can add up fast. Expect to budget around £3,000 a year for regular maintenance needed to keep this rocket in tip-top shape. If you're prepared for these expenses, the C63S can be an absolute joy to own and drive. Just make sure your bank account is ready for the challenge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your dream car? And would you take the plunge with the new C63 SE Performance? See you in the next one.